Hello everyone, I am Nitin JK, the student of Blissang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is my college life. In this video, I am going to tell you about that how I spent my college life days and how I enjoy my college life. The college life days are the best days in everyone's life. These are the most lovable and memorable days because once it goes, it will never come back. The college life is completely different from the school life because during the college life we meet some new peoples and we get some experience which are very important in life. The peoples who enjoy their college life are very lucky because many people does not get this opportunity because of some circumstances and because of some financial problems. So we are very lucky that we get this opportunity. The college life is different for everyone because some people enjoy their college life while partying with their friends and some people are very serious about their study and their career, so they work very hard for making their career, but all these people enjoy their life by their way. The college life is completely different from the school life because during the college life we exposed to completely different environment where we have to face a lot of challenges and a lot of situations every day. During this college life we learn everything, during the school life we learn everything in a protective environment. There are our teachers, friends and our family members who are always there to protect us, but during the college life we have to face everything by own. There is no one to protect us. We have some healthy relationship with our mentor, but they does not always protect us. We have to take our own decisions and we have to make everything by our own. So the college life is very different from the school life. During the college life we get various experiences and we get various challenges. We have to focus on our study, we have to focus on our career, we have to give time for our friends, we have to give time for some extracurricular activities. So we have to handle all these things and we have to manage all these things, so that we have to make some adjustment. During the college life we get to meet some friends which stay with us for our entire life. So in this video I will tell you that about how I spent my college life. I was the student of Government College of Pharmacy. Our institute was the best institute of pharmacy in our Santa Gadge Baba Amaravati University. I completed my Bachelor of Pharmacy from Government College of Pharmacy. I took admission in our college in 2017 and completed my graduation in 2021. The period between 2017 to 2021 is a memorable period for me because I do a lot of things. I get some important experiences from these 4 years. I get to meet some friends which are still with me in my tough time. So I enjoy my college life fullest. I had get some experience in my college life. Initially at the starting of the college days I was very frightened because everyone, because there were all the new peoples, but as the time passes everything become fine because during the college life I get to meet some amazing friends and I, along with the study, I enjoy various things with them. We travel at various places together and we watch various movies together and we do various activities together during our college life. College life is not only about the study, it is about our complete personality development, our complete grooming. College life provides us a platform to build our career. College life is the transition phase between our school life days and our career. The platform that college provides us is a turning point in our life because this is the place from where we have to think about career and we have to make hard work for making our career. So the college life days are very crucial days in our life. Along with study I participate in various activities, I participate in various events as I was the student of as I was the NSS volunteers. I involved into various social activities organized by our college, and I also participate in various events organized by NSS. And one of the most memorable things in our college life is our annual social gathering. During the gathering there were various sports event. I participate in all that sports event. I also participate in various cultural events like dance, etc. Then the one of the most and the one more thing which I would like to tell you about our college, that our canteen, it was a place where we spend our most of the time, because all our friends are gathered at our canteen, and we make a lots of gossips, lots of chatting, and puns and laughs at our canteen. So canteen of a college is memorable for me. Then, so in this way I have enjoyed my college life. That's all. Thank you.